y'all, it's Damon here from Deco Exchange. Y'all, we are gonna make a Halloween wreath tonight. Y'all, I'm just gonna toss this on the floor. We're gonna take it, fold it over, crunch in our ends, and we're gonna do our 10-inch poofs around the top and the bottom. Maybe just around the top, we'll decide. Maybe both. All right, so 10-inch poofs. All right, 10-inch poofs. Y'all, we got our little 10-inch poofs all the way around. All right, so y'all, we're gonna start with something around 25 to 30 inches for the 10 around the bottom. All right, so we've got our, I think I cut most of these around 27. We're gonna take it, we're gonna curl each in just a little. And then we're just gonna scrunch it down the middle. Y'all, the ruffle doesn't have to be cute or perfect or anything else. We're just gonna do one of those longer ruffles around the bottom of the frame. Y'all, look how full this is getting. And we're not close to being done yet. So now we're gonna add some color to the top. Well, not color, but the same black and white and orange. Y'all, these are gonna be around 20 inches. All right, so we're gonna take our smaller one. We're gonna just curl it up once on each end. Ruffle it down the middle. And put one all the way around. All right, let's get these ruffles in here. Y'all, the smaller the ruffle, it's gonna look more like a little bow tie pasta, which is really good if you fry them and dip them in some spinach and artichoke dip. All right, now our wreath is nice and full. We got a good base going on. Y'all, I'm using one of the, we're just gonna call it spunkins. You'll see what I mean. So if I'm gonna put something like that in it, I'm gonna want it to be more of an oval. So all I'm gonna do is take it and push those two sides in just a little bit. Y'all, these little things are so cute. I can't help but love them. Yo, I'm just gonna take a 20-inch pipe cleaner, bend it in half, twist the end just a little bit. Y'all, we're gonna take our pick machine, push it forward to load a pick. Put our little pipe cleaner in there, give it a good squeeze. And now we have this little dangerous weapon. That is a pipe cleaner with a spike on it. Y'all, when we add our pumpkins, we don't want to just put that pumpkin in there so that its little stems waving at your company. Let's give it a good angle so that people can tell what it actually is. So now whenever you see it, it looks like it's just kind of sitting there hanging out. All right, we're gonna take it, add some hot glue to that little spike. Put our spike in our pumpkin. Y'all, I'm gonna make 2 of those so that it doesn't flop around in the wind. Y'all, if you do this technique and you do it and you go to push it in, stop. As soon as you feel tension, stop. Grab your needle nose pliers and use your needle nose pliers to push it the rest of the way in. Y'all, what happens is eventually you get like this random little spot where it'll just go in really quick, and then your finger goes right into that hot glue. It's not fun. All right, so now that our little pumpkin's tucked away in there, I'm gonna just grab those pipe cleaners from the back and wrap it around the frame. All right, now, if your pumpkin is still a little wobbly, it's not gonna fall out. Your pipe cleaners have it secured. And if you wanna make sure it stays down, you can take your glue gun, put a little bit of glue across the bottom. Not really a little, y'all. You're gonna drown the bottom of it. Then you're just gonna push it down and hold it for a second. All right, y'all, let's make a bow. So we're gonna start out with about a 12-inch tail on one side. Give it a good little pinch. Give it a twist. Let's give it a nice sized bow here. Y'all, I went out to about 7.5. All right, this time we're gonna go with our short side up to the top. This loop's gonna be just a little bit smaller. All right, a little bit of black and white. Y'all, I'm gonna add one more little loop right in the center. You've been watching me on YouTube all day. Y'all, by the way, if you're watching on YouTube or if you're watching in the How to Make Wreaths Facebook group and you're asking questions, I cannot see your comments. I can only monitor comments at one place. And right now that place is on the Deco Exchange Facebook page. All right, we're gonna take our 20-inch pipe cleaner. We're gonna fold it in half. All right, so we got our little bow made. All right, y'all, we're gonna use one bigger bow to tuck away under this pumpkin. That's where we're at. Now we just need to get some ribbon added around. All right, let's start with doing 10 of these. All right, so we got 10 of those. Y'all, we're gonna use this one. All right, so y'all, we're gonna layer that 4-inch and our 2.5, and we're gonna put one in all the twist ties around the bottom. So look, we're just gonna add that into the twist tie. Y'all, look how cool that looks with that 4-inch and 2.5-inch only as tails. All right, y'all, we got to get a little bit of those ribbon tails right in here. But I need to get a little bit more ribbon first. No, it might bug me not to have ribbon in every one. We'll see. Maybe I can put just a little bit of this black and white in there. So let's measure out about 28 inches. We'll cut 3 of those. We might need 4, but we're going to start with 3. We're going to take it, we're going to fold it in half. Then we're going to fold it in half again. Then we're going to pinch it in that fold. All right, y'all, now we got this little awareness ribbon, and we're going to add that into those twist ties that we skipped. Y'all, just to give it a little bit of color in that one little missing section. All right, now let's get those curled. Y'all, and these, so you can see where we can easily cut that pick into 2 pieces. All right, so we're gonna take our little twist. Y'all, now I wanna add these because all the ribbon that I added was like nice and sparkly, and our pumpkin was not. So I'm trying to tone it back down just a little bit. Right? So I'm mixing that glitter with the non-glittered pieces. And this greenery is really just little picks that I can easily pull out. So I'm going to steal some. Y'all, there's just a few places that just need a little bit to be softened up. Right? So we still have a lot of that glitz, and I just want to tone it down a little bit. Where do you sign up for business classes? Learnfromdamon.com and just click on business coaching. All right, let's look at it. How fun.